Next, we will change her phone for mysterious slime. Squeeze silicate stationery glue into a container. Add a washing product, Persil color gel, and some green food coloring. Mix it thoroughly to get a slime consistency. Cover all the holes in a phone case with a strip of clear plastic. Trace the phone case on a sheet of paper and cut out the needed size. Make a hole inside so that it looks like a screen. Put green slime into the case. Cover it with a thin plastic screen on top and attach a round button. Put the phone with the slime onto the shelf. And finally, the star of our night show, Big-Eyed Owl is here! Take an appropriate toy owl and paint its eyes with glow-in-the-dark paint. Stay away from the pupils. Emma disappears in the shade of night once she has prepared all the pranks. Redhead wakes up when she hears a rustle. Oh gosh! What kind of beast is looking at me? And am I trapped on the bed? It's a terrible nightmare. It looks like I woke up in Tim Burton's movie. Go away, spooky owl, and don't even dare to look at me with your glowing eyes. I want to turn on a flashlight and I grab my phone, but I touch something disgusting instead of my phone. Why is there a green slime in my phone? It looks like extraterrestrial slime? Yuck! But it looks like the slime didn't come alone. Its partner left some traces. I wonder where they come from. The traces led me straight to my friend. Now it's crystal clear. Hard green evidence is right on her hands. I will take revenge while she is asleep. For starters, I will move her sofa. To tell the truth, moving furniture is not an easy task, but it's definitely worth it. I will both prank my friend and burn some calories. At last, I delivered my friend straight to the kitchen. Now we will add a few details to her sleeping image. First of all, let's put some jelly into her slippers. We will arrange a jelly bath for her legs. And add some ketchup to her hand. Tomato high five! And we will cover her eyebrows with a concealer. We don't need them at all when we are asleep. Oops! It looks like my friend is about to wake up. It's time to hide. Emma doesn't understand what's going on. Her hands are covered in ketchup and her legs are covered in jelly. And why is she in the kitchen? Food stalks her even when she's asleep. But Redhead gets busted when she laughs. Now it's clear, it's a prank revenge. And it is not funny at all. Suddenly we hear steps. Oh dear, who is it? Is it a lady in black with a candlestick? Ah! It's our neighbor! What does she do here in the middle of the night? The neighbor leaves us the candlestick and disappears in the darkness. And the light is on all of a sudden. Now it's clear who turned the electricity off. The neighbor comes back with a plate of cookies. Help yourselves, girls! Roll out brown air-dry clay using a glass. Put an Oreo cookie onto it and press it. You will get a signature print on the surface. Cut round cookies with a cookie cutter. Make lines along the edge with a blunt side of a knife. Take white air-dry clay and shape it into a round cream filling. Assemble the cookie. Press it and let it harden. We take the cookies. Oh, the dough is so hard. We may break all of our teeth with it. We've had enough pranks for today. We do not need plastic cookies. She won't get away with it. It looks like the next series of pranks will take place in her room. Did you like our night pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends at night. Will you pretend to be a ghost? Sneak a big-eyed owl? Or cover everything with green slime? And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new prank ideas on the Troom Troom channel.